Can you really get paid PayPal money just by using your phone? Well, let's find out. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, I'm at this website, and the name of this website is Beta Testing. So on this website, you're going to get paid to test websites and apps and tech products. So as soon as you come to this page, go ahead and click right here where it says Join as Beta Tester. It's going to take you to this page right here. So it says here, testing new products and get paid to give feedback for new apps, websites, and products. And all you have to do is put in your email to sign up. Now, how it works. So you're going to test new apps, websites, and hardware, complete the task, give feedback and bug reports, and then you're going to get paid. So you can earn anywhere from $10 to $20 for most tests. Now guys, you can earn up to $30 or more. It just all depends on the type of tests that you will be taking. Now these are the companies that you're going to be testing products for: Xerox, Typeform, and New York Times. Now let's look at the frequently asked questions. So who is eligible to participate? So you must be 18 years of age, must speak and write fluent English, and you must own a PC, Mac, or any device required for a specific test. So you can also use your cell phone, guys, to do the test on. Now, how much money can you make? So beta testing is a fun way to make a few dollars on the side and help impact product development for exciting new products, but it is not meant to replace your job. So guys, do not use this to replace your job. This is a good side hustle job that you can make a couple of $100 doing. Now, how are payments made? So payments are made via PayPal, 7 days at the end of the project. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you just go over to paypal.com, sign up. Only takes a few minutes to sign up. And as they say here, after 7 days, you will get paid. So guys, you're going to get paid every week. Now I have an account, so what I'm going to do is log in so I can just show you around. Okay guys, I'm inside my account. As you can see, there's nothing here because I haven't done a project yet. I just recently signed up with this website. The way you're going to get projects is they're going to email you the projects, and you're going to click on a link in your email. It's going to take you to the website that you're going to give your feedback on. So that's how that works. Now you can get up to 4 to 5 emails a day for projects for you to give feedback on. Now right here is the payments. So you have to put in your PayPal address, put in your all your other information, where you're from and stuff. And once you do a test, it's going to pop up in your PayPal account. So guys, this is how the account looks. It's very simple, straight to the point. And once you get your account, you'll be able to see this. And after you do a project, it's going to pop up in your account and you'll be ready to get paid. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, give me a like, drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website, and please share this everywhere. Let's get to 8,000 subscribers so I can give away this free money. And on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. If you want to learn more ways to make money online, please check out these videos right here. Peace and have a prosperous day.